So until now, we've been doing this thing where one frame has kind of led to the next frame, has led to the next, or rather the same frame really has been used for each thing. Like so, where we had the cache, and then we rendered that cache frame, and then we put text on that cache frame. But now, I want to do one thing for all of the frames that are the same frame number, meaning the frame 10 for each of these three wedges. I want to get frame 10 of each of all those things and then do something to just those images. So in a way, I need to group them by their frame number. So to do that, there's a thing called partition by frame. Partition by frame, if I run it, doesn't really do that much. It just makes these kind of slot-looking things instead. And what these are storing is all of the different images, as you can see, that had the same frame number. See that? 2.png, 2.png, 2.png. Because that's what this is. It's partition by frame. If you look at the icon even, it's saying what was the frame number. You are now grouped together. So whatever action follows this is going to happen to all of the frames at once that were grouped together per group. In our case, we want to do this image magic thing, which again you had to have installed in order for this to work. If it's Windows and you just installed it, it should just work. Otherwise, you'll need to explicitly point to where it is on your hard drive or the command line, or you'll just need to find help online on how to install that. But that really should just do it, just installing it, or again, just pointing to the directory that it is here, or more explicitly here. But defaults should be fine. So there's a few different things it'll do. Montage is the one we're interested in. I don't know why it's called montage, but it is. And the montage is what I would really call like a gallery, or maybe even a contact sheet if it were single image or non-animating images. The point is Andy Warhol style, it's going to just have a grid of those images. So I'm going to copy our overlay text thing here. I'm going to go to ImageMagick, paste it here for output file name, and change overlay to, I guess we'll call it montage because that's what they're calling it. And that's it. So let's run that, see what that gets us. This will run really fast. So even more Star Trek looking because they're just happening at random times. This is not like our Sims or anything where we said you have to run one frame after another. This one can just run as soon as any of these things are available. So later, if you watch this when we redo all of that at once at the full frame range, once all of the Sims get to frame 17 at least, these other things will happen. It won't wait for the simulation to finish to get to frame 120. It will just say, oh, is frame 10 available here? Well, then we can take a preview render of it. Can we do an overlay text of that? We can. Are all of the overlay text for frame 10 done? Oh, they are? Well, then we can just do ImageMagick now. As long as there are enough slots on your computer open for it. So that's what that is. So let's see what ImageMagick did. Coming back to here, back down to PDG, there's montage. So technically we don't really need this to be in terms of the wedge number, so I'll fix that in a minute. But you can see now it made this gallery view where they're all next to each other, and we can compare them easily. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that and fix the file path here. We don't need it to be in terms of the wedge because it's showing us all of the wedges at once. So Shift-V to rerun it. It's fast enough that it really doesn't matter. So here we are. Now they're all just here instead. Cool. And as usual, if I try to rerun this, well, I guess this one's not looking, but most of these nodes check to see if these files exist already. Certainly the overlay text one will. If I do a Shift-V on that, you can see even if I dirty it and try to run it again, it'll just be done because those files exist. Not sure why that one reruns itself. Somebody probably could tell me, but oh well. In any case, moving on from that, so the output images of these are now something, and those images are finally going to be what we make the movie out of.